One of the easiest ways to generate money online is through this. Simply copy and paste some text, and if you continue with me through the end of this video, I'll show you 3 more places where you can make money. You'll be able to earn much more. So, let's begin with the first step. Visit Google's website. The second step is to look up news on Google. Visit the first official website you find, news.google.com, if you've located it. This is where you can find the most recent news and articles on a range of subjects from across the globe. You can discover anything on it, making it similar to a newspaper in that regard. This website features news on everything, including politics, business, technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, and history. You could imagine having access to both global news and all of the categories. This is about what's happening across the world, but at the moment, you have your own local news, which we won't cover because we only want to cover business, sports, and entertainment. Now, for instance, if I select the health category, all of the most recent news and articles on health will be displayed to me. Let's review this page now, and discover what we can. Thus, this freshly released article appeals to me and seems to be a wonderful work that many others would like to read. Now all we need to do is open the article and start copying the material. As an illustration, I'll duplicate this and move on to step 3, where we visit the website bob.com, which will be utilized to assist us with rewriting. The writing must be pasted. You learn about this from Google News in this box. With the help of the Spinbot, you may have the article completely rewritten in your own words, creating something genuinely original. These pieces will then be used on 3 separate websites. After finding the article on sites to make money, which I will offer to you anyway, just copy and paste the material into this box. Then enter new text by pressing the submit button. And now, slide the piece to line it with the puzzle to complete this human puzzle verification. It will now completely rewrite the article for you. As you can see, the contact's actions are essentially the same, but different words are used. This is because you rewrote it using synonyms. In order to get money, you can sell that original and rewritten content on the 3 websites listed below. Go to eatinglove.com, which will be the first website you see. Only a web page. You can quickly write original, high-quality articles utilizing Google News, Spinbark, and the Penguin up to $1 per word. We will use this website and pay you for the articles you make. Hence, there is the first website, and I still have 2 more for you. Anyway, you can earn up to $1 per word on this website, which means that if you write an essay with 500 words, you can earn $500 for it even though it just took you 20 minutes to copy and paste. How exactly do you submit your papers for payment at this point? On this website, you'll need to descend a little bit till you're. Access this location to obtain their contact information. They will check your email after you submit, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. Alternatively, you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is also strongly advised. Simply copy their email address, go to your email, and send them an email with the subject line submission, content submission, or something similar and attach the file with your own article that you wrote. You inform them and then provide them your PayPal and email addresses if you want to code using PayPal. Instead, you will merely provide your bank information if you want your money transferred. The same can be true for various payment methods because Google News has a constant stream of fresh content and our selection is practically infinite. In order to submit your articles to these websites, you can take those articles, rewrite them using a spin bottle, copy them, and then paste them into a Word document or save them to your computer. The second website is sierraclub.org, where you can also contribute articles. You can see this on their website, and to contribute your articles, just follow the instructions for getting in touch with them. Send an email to this address right away. So feel free to duplicate this. Copy it, along with your contact information, and paste it into your email. Also, you may fill out this form by clicking the link text in the subject line to simply write in submission, the content submission, which is strongly encouraged to locate the Daily Dot store. The third and final website where you can submit articles. The best thing about this website is that they only ask for up to 2,000 words from you and will only pay you about $30 for them. All articles will be accepted, but even if you only get 1 a day, you may still copy and paste hundreds of books per day. I appreciate your attention.